If you are trying to lose weight or improve your health with fasting, but the results just aren't adding up, you are probably making common mistakes that will hold you back. We'll discuss the biggest fasting misconceptions, dive into the science behind it, and share 5 key tips to fast safely and effectively for weight loss, energy, and overall wellness. Can fixing these mistakes finally unlock the results that you're after? Let's find out. Fasting, whether it's skipping meals for a few hours or following a plan like intermittent fasting, has become a popular way for people to shed pounds, boost energy, and feel their best. It's a practice where you cycle between eating and not eating, giving your body a break from digestion to unlock benefits like burning fat for fuel, improving mental clarity, and even supporting longevity. A 2021 study in the Annual Review of Nutrition showed fasting can reduce insulin levels by up to 30%, making it easier to tap into stored fat. But if you're not seeing results, you might be falling into some traps that can affect anyone, regardless of age or gender. Let's get fasting right. Here's how fasting works for your body. When you stop eating for a set period, your body switches from burning sugar to burning fat for energy, a state called ketosis. This can lead to weight loss, sharper focus, and less inflammation. Fasting also lowers blood sugar and boosts human growth hormone, which helps maintain muscle while burning fat. For some people, fasting can help balance hormones like insulin and cortisol. But if you're a woman, hormonal shifts, like those during menstruation or menopause, might require extra care to avoid stress on your system. Mistakes can throw off these benefits for anyone, so let's look at where things might be going wrong. A big misconception is that fasting means you can eat anything during your eating window. If you're loading up on cakes, chips, or sugary drinks, you're not going to see the progress you want. Fasting isn't a free pass to ignore nutrition. Processed, high-sugar foods spike insulin, stop fat burning, and can lead to cravings that make fasting feel impossible. Another myth is that fasting is just about eating less. While it does cut calories, the real power comes from hormonal changes, like lower insulin and higher norepinephrine, that optimize your metabolism, not just from reducing food intake. Could fasting for longer periods be the solution? Some think stretching their fast to 24 hours or more will speed things up, but that can backfire. Going too long without food or breaking your fast the wrong way can lead to overeating, muscle loss, or even hormonal stress, which can show up as fatigue, irritability, or stalled weight loss. If you're a woman, this can also raise cortisol, potentially affecting your cycle or energy levels. Fasting needs a thoughtful approach to work well for anyone. Let's break down 5 common mistakes and how to fix them. Number 1, fasting too long. Jumping into a 24-hour fast right away can be too much for your body to handle. It can lead to fatigue, irritability, or even binge eating later. And if you're a woman, it might cause cortisol spikes that disrupt your hormones. Start with a gentle 12-hour fast, like eating from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., and slowly work up to a 16 to 8 schedule, where you fast for 16 hours and eat in an 8-hour window. This helps your body ease into fat burning without the stress. 2. Breaking your fast with the wrong foods. Ending your fast with sugary or processed foods, like pastries or soda, spikes insulin and undoes the benefits. It can also cause bloating or energy crashes, which can feel worse as you age. Break your fast with nutrient-dense options. A small meal with protein, healthy fats, and fiber, like a chicken salad with avocado and olive oil. This keeps blood sugar stable and supports fat burning longer. The third one is not hydrating enough. Fasting can dehydrate you faster since you're not getting water from food, and many people forget to drink enough. Dehydration leads to headaches, tiredness, making fasting feel tougher than it should. Aim for 2 to 3 liters of water a day during your fast, and add a pinch of sea salt or a splash of lemon for electrolytes, without breaking the fast. This keeps energy up and cravings down. 4. Ignoring your body's signals. Pushing through a fast when you feel shaky, dizzy, or overly hungry can backfire. Overfasting can raise cortisol, leading to stress, weight gain, or mood swings. And if you're a woman, This might also trigger hormonal imbalances, like irregular cycles. If you feel off, break your fast early with a small, balanced snack, like a handful of almonds or a boiled egg. Fasting should feel sustainable, not draining. Number 5, fasting without a plan. Going into fasting without structure can lead to overeating or poor food choices during your eating window. It can also mean fasting at odd times, like late at night, which might disrupt sleep, a key factor for overall health. Plan your fasting and eating windows ahead of time. Try a 16-8 schedule where you eat between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. and focus on whole foods like grilled salmon, roasted veggies, and healthy fats to keep you satisfied and energized. Fasting can support your body's natural repair processes, but it works best when paired with the right nutrients during your eating window. Focus on foods rich in magnesium, zinc, and vitamin D, which are important for everyone. Magnesium from leafy greens helps with relaxation and sleep, zinc from shellfish supports immunity and skin health, and vitamin D from fatty fish like salmon helps with energy and mood. These nutrients help your body thrive during fasting, especially as you navigate different stages of life. Many people notice better energy and fewer cravings when they prioritize these nutrients. Track your progress to stay motivated. Keep a journal of your energy, hunger, and weight each week. By week 2, you might notice less bloating. By week 4, better focus and looser clothes. Many people achieve a 5 to 10% drop in body fat after a month of consistent smart fasting, along with more stable moods and better sleep. If weight loss is your goal, combine fasting with a slight calorie deficit, about 200 to 300 calories below maintenance, to see results without feeling deprived. Science supports fasting benefits. Fasting improves insulin sensitivity, reduces inflammation, and boosts fat burning when done right. People usually feel lighter and more energized after a month. The biggest challenges are consistency and avoiding these mistakes. Unplanned fasting can lead to overeating or burnout. Starting with shorter fasts and planning meals makes it easier to stick with long term. A common question is whether fasting is safe for everyone. If you have diabetes, low blood sugar, or are pregnant, check with a doctor first. Fasting can affect blood sugar and hormones. If you're a woman, especially during menstruation or menopause, watch for signs of hormonal stress, like irregular cycles or fatigue, and adjust fasting windows if needed. Always listen to your body. So, can fixing these fasting mistakes help you reach your goals? Absolutely, with the right approach. Always use these 5 tips. Start slow, break your fast wisely, stay hydrated, listen to your body, and plan your fasts. Begin with a 12-hour fast and track your energy, mood, and progress over 30 days to see the difference for yourself. Hit the like button below and subscribe for more practical ways to feel better. Check the description for free resources.